Okay, so hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, so I showed everything I got from Bali. To add on to that, I also want to show everything I got from airports, but I want to cover in this video because after Bali I just went to celebrate my birthday in Kolkata. Yes, so I wanted to show you this Da Milano. I think I'm gonna put this first before you guys can see what all I got from Bali. Okay, so from the airport I took this Da Milano Italia. I think when I was showing what all I got from Europe, I showed you my Da Milano bag. Yes, so to continue to that, we also have this is my Da Milano. Yes, I really love bags from this range. So I'm gonna show you what all I have from them. Yes, firstly I love the yellow bag. So if you are also shop from Da Milano, you know that they give the green bag. Yes, so I'm very excited to have the yellow bag. Yes, so let's see what's in the bag. Yes, okay, so I think you're gonna love it, this. Yes, so firstly this one, like when you are traveling to airport, firstly love a black leather bag. Okay, so when you are traveling between airports, you need something that you can put your your passport and all of that, your phone. So when I found this, oh my god, I loved it. I went crazy for the design because you can put your passport and you also have a back slot. Yes, and Da Milano Italia also makes suitcases. So let me see if next time I hog up on a suitcase. Also here inside you have so many slots. You have a card slot, okay, and you also have a slot right here. So so you can put all of your, you can segregate your makeup. You can put your phone here, your passport here. So this is very handy when you are traveling like abroad and you want to carry your passport and all of that. So so you also have a slot right here, and you have also a slot here, and oh my god, so it's a sling bag, and oh my god, the black leather is stunning. So I got this. Okay, so love it. Yes, let me know what did you guys think. I felt this stunning. Yes, so it was a birthday gift to self. Yes, and another bag which I got was, I just went for the snake print. Yes, when I saw in the showroom, let me show you, I just had to get it. Yes, it was calling out to me. It is this one. Oh my god, it's so cute, so stunning. So when you are roaming, like for example you are going for sightseeing and you want something compact, yeah, that time this comes in handy. Just look at how stunning it is. Yeah, I love the make of this. It's very nice, and you can see it reflects as well. Yes, so there are two slots. Yes, what I love about this is the two slot. You can put your iPhone. Yeah, and one more thing is like the center, you can like segregate your center. This one is a small one and this one is the big one. Yeah, so again, if you don't want to carry this, you can carry this. You can put your passport and you can put all your medicines and all of that. So a small sling bag always comes in handy, and I went for the not only the snake print but also the foil effect it has. Yes, so yeah, this this middle slot is magnetic, like it's magnetic, so it's gets stuck. Yeah, it fully closes. Yeah, so I loved this. It'll look very nice in the photos. And yeah, so when I saw the gold foil print, it's stunning, so I had to get my hands on this. Yeah, so these two called out to me. Yes, yeah, these two called out to me, so I bought this. It's a birthday gift to self, and I love the handle as well. Yeah, and it has a tag, the DM tag. Yeah, so stunning. I like the foil print. Let me know what you guys thought. So this is for everyday use, and this is like when you want to go out and want something compact, you can go for this. You can see how it's reflecting light. So yeah, so these are the two that I got from Da Milano. Yes. Okay, so moving on, I also have some makeup that I've got from MAC and also Bodyshop. So I'm gonna show you, yes, one by one. Yes, so from the MAC, I shop less from the MAC because I love other makeup. I'm gonna show you guys everything one by one. Yes, I have very good products. Yeah, I'm gonna save this bag as well. I love storing bags and I can put as an arrangement on the top closet. Yes, by the way, the IKEA video is coming up. Yes, so yeah, so love this. Okay, so we're gonna show I'm gonna show one by one. Okay, so the first thing that I really love is the matte blush. Yes, so I got in the shade wait, I'm gonna show you guys. This is a powder blush, and I like something that's very like coral, in between coral and pink. That's similar to the one that I'm wearing now. Yes, so this is the one. Yeah, so yeah, this is the shade. Yes, it was very pigmented. I tried a tester. You can see how it is so nice. Yeah, it's very pigmented. Yes, so wait, let me give this. It's very light. You have to apply it. You can see, right? Yeah, it's very light and very like subtle, so you can build this up. Yeah, I love such blushes. Yes, I can also use this as eyeshadow, and I loved it. This is in the shade A23. Yeah, so I got this. Oh my god, I loved the it's a between a pink and a coral. Yes, so loved this. Okay, and the next one is they gave some freebies. Yeah, so I got a max strobe cream, yeah, as a freebie. So I will use this in my travel size. I'm gonna use this. Yes, yeah, so I got a freebie. So yeah, so this freebie comes in handy like when you're doing a week trip and all of that. I can use this. So excited. Yes, and the next one that I got is I had to get, you know, the Ruby Woo. Yeah, so I was excited to try. Is this the Ruby Woo? Yeah, this is the Ruby Woo, you know, the most iconic lipstick, Ruby Woo. Yes, so yeah, I had to get my hands on this. Yes, so the iconic, I got a full size rather than a travel size, because last time I bought a mini and I really loved it. Yeah, it's the iconic red lipstick, the Ruby Woo. So yeah, I had to get it. Yeah, I love the bullet size. So yeah, so I had to get the Ruby Woo. Yes, so last time when I worked with Nykaa, they sent me a mini. Yeah, so this time I was excited to buy a full size for myself. Yes, so yeah, love it. Okay, and if I'm getting a Ruby Woo, how can I forget the Meher? Yes, so I also got the Meher lipstick. Yes, so I love, like, both are iconic colors. This is like your mauve color. Yes, so yeah, I'm excited for the upcoming travel to use this. Yes, so yeah, excited. Yes, for me, I have seen that something that is very subtle. This is an observation which I've observed recently, is, you know, something that's very subtle suits me and looks very good on me. Yes, especially for the lips. So yeah, I had to get the Meher. So let me know what is your favorite in Ruby Woo and Meher. Yes, and another one that I got is a freebie again, because I bought the two full-size lipsticks. Is another freebie. This is Natural Radiance Base. So this is your primer. So these both will come in handy for me for travel size. Yes, so yeah, I got these freebies. So yeah, I'm excited to use this in my upcoming travel. Like, one is primer and one is, you know, strobing cream, which I can mix in my foundation. Yes, and yeah, obviously I can carry the lipsticks and the blush. Yes, yeah, and I also got a mini size mascara. Yes, this is their the full size one of the hit models. This is their max stack mascara. Yes, super stack mega bros super stack. Yeah, so this is one of the iconic mascaras of MAC. So I got their freebies. Yes, but I tried them full sizes when I collaborated with Nykaa. So yes, so excited for this products. So that was everything I have from MAC. So moving on to Bodyshop. So Bodyshop, I love their body butter. That's my favorite from the Bodyshop. But what I have here is everything makeup. So yes, let's see how it is. Yes. Okay, so moving on, I have some products from Bodyshop. Yes, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I loved the bags. I'm a hardcore collector of good bags. I love them. Yes, I love stationery as well. Yes, so I asked her to give me this. Yes, so that when I'm traveling, I can put my products in this and travel. Yes, yeah, so let's check what all I have. Oh my god, it's full goodies. Yes. Okay, so the first one that I have is, it's a, I'm in the shade tan 1W. Yes, it is a compact which I can carry for my upcoming travel. What I love about this, it comes with a sponge, and this is exactly my shade. Like, you will see exactly my shade. Yes, so this is the one. Yes, it fully blends and it's very nice. And when you lift, you can also lift this. Yeah, you can lift this and also buy a refill pack. That's what I liked about this. Yeah, so you can change this once you're done with this. But yeah, so for my upcoming travel, it also comes with a mirror as well. Yes, love of that in this. Yes, and I love the packaging. It's like a silver box. Yeah, and this is for how long is it for? I can't see the shell life. Yeah, I was checking that. Yes, it's vegan, and yeah, so yeah, I love it. And so I wanted a good compact which I can use when I'm traveling and I'm sweating and all of that. So I like this, so I'm gonna carry this. Yes, and all of the makeup that you're seeing right here, I'm gonna carry it. Okay, so the next one is, oh my god, I wanted a good serum. Yes, so this is the Body Shop daily serum concentrate. I wanted something good serum, like I said in my purple haul video, that I'm trying to get back into the serum game. Yes, which I, because of constant travel, was lacking. Yes, by the way, today there is no foundation on my skin. It is only just plain, I just did my eyes and lipstick, that's it, and applied a little bit of blush. So that is what I'm talking about. When you enhance, like when you do a good skincare, makeup just becomes an add-on. Yes, so I wanted to really try this, and I'm gonna incorporate daily in my skincare routine. And what I like about this is, it has peptides and it has leontopodic acid. This is the first time I'm trying this ingredient, and it's very good for hydration and to keep your skin nourished. Yes, so yeah, love it. Yes, it's 50 ml, and there is some makeup which I was very excited to try. This is the Body Shop Fresh Nude. It is a 30 ml, and yeah, so this is the size, and I'm gonna use these for the trips that I'm doing, and it's a short trip, so I'm gonna use this. I always love to mix my foundation with a K Beauty one. I always mix my foundation, yes, with that, because that's my staple, like that's my core foundation. Yes, I also like the one by Maybelline. I'm a shade 210. Yes, so yeah, so this is the Fresh Nude foundation. It's a liquid foundation, and I was also excited to try the concealer because it has vitamin C, so it brightens. Yes, and yeah, it's a little bit on the expensive side, but you know that the Body Shop is expensive, but it has makeup with skincare. So that's what I like about this. So I wanted to try this as a combination. Yes, so yes, I am excited to try this in combination, and after this you can also use the compact. Yes, and now I have two more lipsticks. You can see I've gone for the staple. I didn't like overshop. Yes, because these are expensive, so I was very specific. For example, I can do a routine. I can start with the serum, and then I can do my concealer and foundation, and when I want to touch up, I can do the compact. And then I went for these two shades. So this is the shade, the Body Shop multitasking color crayon, and it's with shimmer. Yes, so you can also apply this as eyeshadow. Obviously I would apply this as eyeshadow because it has shimmer, and this is in the shade brown. So I can, if you're in a hurry, you can just apply. It's been long since I used crayons. I would use crayons when the Lotus Cosmetics crayons used to come. Yes, so these are the two shades. You can see stunning they are. They both suit me. Yes, and I apply this a lot as well. So yeah, because I have big eyes, I try to elevate them with good makeup. Yes, so yeah, love it. Yes, and I'm gonna tell you the shade names. This is let me see, is there any shade name? So this is Rally. This one is Rally. It's more of like a brick red, and this is Thrive. It's like a mauve. Yeah, so these are the two shades. Okay, so now we're gonna get into a video where I'm gonna show everything I got from Bali. So it's continuation to that. So all this I shop in the airports because it's duty free. Yes, so yeah, that's the plus point.
The sky is falling.